Exploring art trails, a journey through creative spaces. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss: art trail. Whether you are an art enthusiast, a traveler, or someone who is just curious about different cultural experiences, this video is for you. So, let's dive into the world of art trails and explore what they are and why they are so special. An art trail is a term used to describe a series of art-related sites in a specific area or region that people can visit. These sites could be galleries, studios, public art installations, or even historical sites related to art. The idea is to provide a path or route for visitors to follow, allowing them to experience and appreciate a variety of art forms and styles in one journey. Art trails serve multiple purposes. They promote local artists and their work, encourage cultural tourism, and contribute to the economic development of the area. They also provide an educational opportunity for visitors, helping them to learn about art, history, and culture. For local communities, art trails can foster a sense of pride and connection to the region's artistic heritage. Experiencing an art trail is not just about looking at art. It's about immersing yourself in the artistic atmosphere of the area. Here are some tips on how to make the most out of your art trail journey. 1. Take your time. Don't rush through the trail. Take your time to appreciate each piece of art and understand the story behind it. 2. Interact with local artists. If possible, talk to the artists. Learn about their inspiration, techniques, and experiences. 3. Explore the surroundings. Pay attention to the area around the art sites. Sometimes the location itself is an integral part of the art trail experience. 4. Document your journey. Take photos, make sketches, or write about your experience. This will help you remember and reflect on your journey later. Thank you so much for joining us today in exploring the concept of art trails. We hope that this video has shed light on what art trails are and has inspired you to seek out and enjoy these unique artistic journeys. Remember, art is not just found in museums. It is all around us, waiting to be discovered. Happy exploring, and we'll see you in the next video.